Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Here I want to show you how to buy Bitcoin in Germany. This we're gonna do on Binance. Binance is the biggest crypto exchange in the world and also has the lowest trading fees of only 0.1%. And if you use the link in the video description for registration, you save 20% on trading fees so that you actually pay 0.08%. What you have to do here is just register on Binance, then deposit some money via bank transfer or credit card, and after the money has arrived, you are able to buy Bitcoin on this view. How you do this step by step, I will show you now. At first you click the link in the video description and come to the right registration page. The 20% trading fee discount is also automatically activated, so now you have to just create an account. After your account is created, you just log in at Binance and go to the dashboard, and from the dashboard you click here in the menu on identification. The identification is necessary to be able to deposit money, so just do it by clicking here on this verify button, and after this is verified you just do address verification by clicking on this verify button, and if both things are verified, you are able to deposit money by clicking here on buy crypto and then on bank deposit. Here you just choose your currency and your payment method. You can use bank transfer and credit card, and after you just type in this field how much money you want to transfer. Now you just click on continue so that you get the bank details which you need for the bank transfer. So just go into your online banking and use the information to do the bank transfer. After 1 to 3 business days the money should arrive. When the money has arrived, you can click here on buy crypto and then on cash balance. There you can check your currently available cash balance, but you can also click here on wallet and then on fiat and spot. There you can see all your cryptocurrencies and all your fiat money. Now that the money is available, in my case, we can start buying Bitcoin by just typing in this field how much money we want to invest in it. So in my case, it would be, for example, 100 euros. Then you click here on buy Bitcoin so that you now see all the details. And if this is fine, you just click here on confirm. That's it. If you now want to sell your Bitcoin, you can click here on sell crypto and change it back into euro. And if you want to withdraw your euro back into your bank account, you just click here on buy crypto, then on bank deposit, and here you can click instead of deposit just on withdraw. There you just type in your bank details, and after 1 to 3 business days the money should be back into your bank account. Yeah, that's it for the tutorial. I hope you liked it. Give it a like if it is, and have a nice day. Bye bye.